Re la amohela ho motswako mmuhi re leboha ha lena le rona bosiung bona ho motswako re tshwara kibitla ya taba malapeng a mangata e etsang hore batswadi ba supane ka menwana ka ho se be le motheo o lekaneng ho hodiseng bana. Jwale boimana ba bananyana ke ketsahalo e phamang Afrika Borwa mme re batla ho qhaqholla hore hobaneng sena se etsahala. Re ilo buisana le Thandeka Nqai o ileng a ba moimana a le dilemo tse 16. Re batla ho utlwa ho yena Thandeka hore ho tlile jwang a be mo ebile le hore o ile a iphumana ho tlameha ho etsahala jwang bophelong ba hae ka mora moo. Thandeka ra o amohela ho motswako.
Thanks for having me.
Ngifuna ungitshele kahle ukuthi wena at 16 wazithola sowukhulelwe. Kwenzakala kanjani kuwe ngaleso sikhathi?
Yeah, firstly, like I was a rebellious child. So when I felt pregnant, like that's how stupid I was. Like bengazi nokuthi I'm pregnant. I was just lazy, and I remember one time Kokom just came with a pregnancy test and said, yeah, we're doing a pregnancy test today. And you know, like with confidence, I said, like kanjani, because I'm a virgin, I can't be pregnant. That wasn't And my grandmother's like, just do the pregnancy test. I know I'm not a virgin, you know, and like I think okay, I'm pregnant. Like I didn't even think of it that way. And it's okay, sharp. And then I did the pregnancy test, came out positive.
But so how far?
I was 4 months.
I was when I was cut.
Angazi and Angi on my periods, but I was just for some reason I didn't even panic. Like okay, I could be pregnant. I honestly didn't even have a thought Choguti. I could be pregnant or what.
Okay, and then get ekhaya masebazi ugogo manje sekayazi ukuthi pregnant. Kwenza njani ke?
A busy family meeting obviously to tell the whole family.
Ubaba no mama.
Yeah. And it was like dropping a bomb on them because at that time from my dad's side. So at that time, my grandmother Velo was ill, like agula and my problems and and all that. So dropping such a bomb on her was, you know, I felt like immense worse because everyone was, okay, we didn't expect this.
Yeah.
Everyone was just like
disappointed
to the core, you know. Some of them, Bobabana, like, it's okay, they are on the verge of giving up game. Because, you know, like, like, bengi stout, bengi hlale ngikhuzwa, yabo, kuthi, hey, abafana, uzomita, yekela ukuhamba ama-party, yabo. And ngifila like, lezinto ewazikhuluma nje, badom, like, bengibona kuthi, like, really, mina, why not? Abanye abantwana, yeah, ziyenzeka, ziyadlula. You know, but when it happened, like most of the family were on that point where they were like, okay, we're done.
Ngaleso sikhathi support obani?
Ngaleso sikhathi bengasuka ukuyohlala nogogo ngahamba ngahlala nobabami.
Okay.
So ngaleso sikhathi I was building a relationship nobabami because umntana ubahlala nogogo wami
so ushiya umntana nogogo wena wahamba
ngahamba ngahlala nobabami.
Okay.
So ngaleso sikhathi bengibuild a relationship nobabami because very ubabami nje the whole pregnancy amazange ngikhulumise.
Okay.
Like ubabami ube wangikhatha off life yakhe until mangizothola umntwana ke waqala uku-accept because wabona waqala ukuthanda umntwana and then that's when he was like, okay, let's build a relationship wozohlala nami.
Ubaba umntana yena bekakuphi ngaleso sikhathi?
Bekakhona.
Supportive.
Well, for the first few months, bega supportive.
Ngesikhathi usase pregnant?
Yes, and after.
Okay.
And then, I don't know what happened, what disappeared. So, but though, umuntu like engmaziyo, like, unoguza, ngathi like a part-time father manje.
Mangasikhathi ekhona bekakhona kanjani? Bekabona wena, bekaza for umntana, bekakhona financially, emotionally, bekakhona kanjani?
Bekakhona for umntwana, because like ifamily yami bengafuni nokumbona. So ngathini umuntu owaziyo ukuthi unomntwana nami ngiyazi ukuthi nginomntwana naye mara zange sibe ne kumndeni so
How old yena ngaso
he's 20 yeah.
ngaleso sikhathi? So bekakudlula ngabo.
No, ngaleso about 20.
Oh, okay. Okay, so umntana sekana 5 manje.
Yeah.
Kubuyela esikoleni emva kwalokho.
Bengina courage like yokubuyela esikoleni. Because firstly, mina abangani bami engingene nabo isikole bebangazi nokuthi ngipregnant. Immediately mangifind out ukuthi ngipregnant ngatshela ugogo ngathi angisabuyela esikoleni. Ngathi angisabuyeli because sengiyashowa and abangani bami bazongibona and then bazongibuza imibuzo, so I'm not going back to school. And then ngachange ikolo. And then mangiceda ukubuyela esikoleni like bengise college. So nje yazi college kunjani uyazenzela. Awuna like so ngabuyela esikoleni but azange ngenze next basically. So I wasted another year because bengingafundi like bengihlale nginabangani bami manje and like bese kuwese manje because bese ngizibhema ngezinto eziningi ezenzakele life nami like bengizibona nami the way the world sees me yabo kuleyo category ukuthi useless unomntwana umncane yabo and people start labeling you, you know, like mawuhambe estradini lo mntwana lo una 16 ube abanomntwana, you know, unomntwana so useless akangeni nesikolo, you know, like nami ngigcine sengizibona the way the world sees me, so I was like anyways ngiyafana. After that, that's when ngena ngahlala elokishini and then I applied for a dream school.
Yeah, so I left school because of teenage pregnancy.
Thandeka has just turned 18 and left school in grade 10.
You had a baby. How old is your baby now?
3 now.
And how old are you?
18.
And what grade did you complete?
10.
10. So you still need to go back to do 11 and 12?
Yes.
Okay.
This year I didn't go back to school. I just want to go back to a good school and have another chance. My parents wanted me to go back to mainstream school, but then I didn't take initiative to actually go look for a school.
Some people, they don't help you because they want to see how serious you are.
I was most impressed by Thandeka. I think she's got a very good attitude. By far the best of everyone there.
I strongly believe that as we hear, we need to change our attitude.
Mohika Mrapapatso re tla ba le Kgosi Gianni o leng clinical psychologist ya rona mona Motswako o sebeditse le batjha ho hlahiseng lenaneo la television le leng Dream School. Lenaneo leo le shebane le bannanyana ba qhelelwang ka thoko setjhabeng. Dula le rona. Re la amohela pele re Papatso Moe re utlwile ka moo diketsahalo tsa boimana tse sa rerwang di ba ka bohloko ka teng. Jwale bananyana bana ha se ba bangata ba kgutlelang sekolong ha ba qeta ho pepa, ho bolelang hore thuto ya bona e ba e maemong a fatshe, e ka ba seo se ba sitisa mererong ya bona jwang ho ya pele. Re tswela pele ka moqoqo wa rona, jwale re na le Kgosi Gianni o leng psychologist ya rona ka studio. Kgosi, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Ha re tswele pele re utlwile ka story sa Thandeka a re bolella hore yena jwale a ba tlameha ho a ba decide ho tlohela school. Jwale ha o no tlohetse sekolo Thandeka ke batla o ko nqoqele hore wena ha o dula fatshe jwale o ko sheba looking back o bona hore o ka reng ho ngwana leng hore hona tje le yena o qeta ho pepa o nahana ho tlohela sekolo le yena.
Firstly, like go tlohela sekolo, it's not a good decision to make because you lose out on your education and I mean time won't wait for you to for you to decide to go back to school, and at that time like intanga zakho ziyakushiya, you know, they progressing in your life yabo. So I'm just gonna like mina I would advise whoever and thinking of leaving school to say no. In life we fall, but what's important is how we rise, you know, to the challenge. I mean, I think being a teenage mother is just a challenge. If a child was not meant to be born, they wouldn't be born and be in this world. So it's a challenge that you need to rise up to and move on with your life.
Yeah. Right there, how do we tackle that? Because I understand her thinking hore ngwana ha ona ngwana o tlang a sa tlameha ho tla. Empa re a tseba hape le hore ngwana ha a tshwanela ho tla mmae a na le lemo tse ka tlase.
I think more, we're talking one about biology. Hore, you know, and that's often an argument, people saying, well, if I wasn't meant to have a child at this age, why was my body ready? Ne? But we are not just bodies, you know, and we are not like, sorry, and I don't mean this in a bad way, like animals who just breed, you know, but we need to think about what then. And I often say, when I talk to Bana Golong, even in the dictionary, you prepare before you produce. Those two words, prepare in the dictionary,
Is before
produce.
Yes.
And you always need to ask yourself the question, how a female, and I know pregnancy is a thing that takes both male and female. But I always say, as a woman, you got to think even further for yourself. Women have the privilege of conception. It is a privilege that no man will ever take away from you. It is a privilege, and secondly, it's a responsibility. Huge responsibility. So you need to think thoroughly about it. It puts you as a woman in a position of power. And I always say, don't give away that power.
But it also disadvantages you as a woman.
Exactly. It puts you in a position of power, which if you abuse, you abuse yourself.
Ke batla re ke re khutlele hape le mo re Thandeka o ile a sia ngwana le nkgono wa hae yena tsa malo dula le ntate wa hae. Okay, ha re qala ka hore ne le na le arrangement e jwang, ne le dumellane le ntate wa ngwana, ne le dumellane le nkgono, ne kore ne le buile jwang?
When I had my child, like go yes, babile decided I'm too young to have a child. Number one, I get ready. So they then decided Nkhonaka is gonna take the child.
Okay.
Adulelian. I'm hudise. And then I'm gonna focus on fixing my life and go back to studies. Which I feel at some point ibile angsinya le yona ntwe because abang feelings are the responsible, like that thing ya hore ha ona le ngwana le mnyane
Hore o tlo ba
so you need to like abang faces the consequences that I had to
They
face.
protected you
You
from
know,
the consequences
they
and the
protected me
responsibility
from
and
that.
accountability.
Yes, and Linda, that made me negligent to say, okay,
Life goes on.
Life goes on.
Now, what is it ang ngwana? Yena jwale o hodiswa mme wa hae ke ngwana yena pele. O hodiswa ke nkgono. Mme wa hae ha bontshwa the responsibility, the accountability ha itsebe. Ho tjhong hore le ho ngwana responsibility eo ya shorta ya fokola akere. Ha o hole ona kore ha ona le ngwana hao ha o ingo re ke na le ngwana.
Yes.
Ke ngwana o mong ha se ngwana wa hao.
Because you grow up, like, a good situation in Jalo, you grow up as brother and sister. I mean, like, minumtana mkala wanje. My like, see, sinale relationship umtana git, you know. But you know, as good to mama, I can now that like I've taken a stand to say, listen, I'm your mother.
Yes.
But sikula ganjalo because now if I'm like as I said, good to protect her from the consequences. And Bona they felt too good, you know what, since this has happened and we can't change it, this is how it's gonna be. This is how we're gonna take like tackle us or the situation.
You know, the good part of it is, as much, there's two sides to it. As much as it prevented you from taking responsibility and for the consequences of what happened, it also protected, it was in the best interest to an extent of the child. Because when you have a child, parenting a child, that's not a good combination. You know, and that's part of the problems that we see in society. They grow up. Exactly. My mother used to use the words like ukula, like weeds. They just grow up. They are not brought up. And there's a difference. And that's not how it's meant to be. That's not how it's meant to be. And part of the problem is that teenage pregnancies, it disrupted the whole family.
Yes.
Because now ugogo.
Osekhulile.
Yes, who has done her job in raising children, who now must go back. Ayovuswa umntwana ebusuku.
Umzukulwane.
Yes, umzukulwane. Whereas what happens to her? On the other hand, however, part of the dilemma that parents then now have to face is, do we send her back to school? Do we allow her to go back to school? Because also part of the problem becomes, if she doesn't, go back to school.
It's a lifetime.
It's a lifetime problem for Bona. Because she's going to become a burden
To them.
that's not going to become independent ever. And consequently, this same child becomes a burden as well. So that's part of the dilemma that families now then need to navigate as to what to do with this and how to deal with the responsibility of now raising this child who is here, who knows nothing, and who deserves to be brought up properly and all the care that they need. And she, still being a child herself, needs to be parented because agazi ukuthi wenzani.
A ke renkeng break hanyana ha re khutla hape re tla tswela pele ka moqoqo wa rona mmuhi ka mora papatso rena le tshepiso do ho tswa ho Wings of Change ya tla re hlalosetsa ka mathata le mosebetsi ho thuseng bomme ba bananyana. Re ntse re tswela pele mmuhi re a le amohela mona ho motswako ho sebetsana le lesea e ba mosebetsi o thata haholo ebile mosebetsi o nkang nako o kgathatsang ho lla ha ngwana ho tjhentjha malaria mangata ho fepa ka dinako tseo ngwana a di hlokang ka tsona ke dinnete tsa ho ba motswadi jwale ho bananyana ba bangata ha se seo ba neng ba se lebeletse hore botjha ba bona bo tla fela jwalo fela re ntse re tswela pele ka puisano ya rona ka studiong ebile re na le ausi ka studiong le yena o tlo re bolella from Winds of Change hore bona ba sebetsa jwang ke tshepiso do re a amohela pele ho motswako ha re qale mo ha re utlwe ho wena hore ha o dila haholo le batswadi bananyana ba se ile batswadi resentment ya bona ho bana ba bona e ba ntho e leng teng.
Well, it's a big problem because hamba isetse le teng e teng, you know. Usually baba le problem before they even give birth because ka like ka hore ke bereka more the same area where I run the organization. I get to see them local practicing, you know. So and it's easier for me to even identify the areas of need le for bone. It's difficult because most schools don't even accept them habale pregnant. But I've always had a problem le hore ho suspendiwa ngwanyana. Moshimane o tswela pele ka sekolo, you know. And le enga ya di parents gore yena o disowna ngwana. Moshimane is forever protected. So now I always say to them, rather let the girl go back to school. Atlo etsetsa yena ngwana gagwe future ha.
Ebe yena tla ikhudisetsa ngwana. Ho baneng re bona ho ima ha bana ha bananyana ho ya hodimo. Ke ho baneng ho le jwalo hona tje?
Wa itse pele ne re fa bana counseling around 16 years, ne? At the moment I'm running programs le dikolo. I start talking to the kids at 10 years of age. I do from grade 4s. Now you'll be surprised the questions about rebutsang tsona, you know. Gore motho only turned 11 most of the time. Baba shimane kana go bana le go mpotsa gore is it ma'am is it wrong to masturbate more than 3 times a day? That boy is 11.
Ho tjhong hore o a tseba o sa ntse a etsa.
Already setsa starting. So I think tshwantse re reduce dilemo tse leng gore re communicate le bana ba rona ka tsona because gona no media o change. So I think system ya rona is still stuck in those years where we used to introduce all these talks like 14 years, 16 years. We need to bring it down a bit.
Bana ha ba sa tshwana le pele.
Ha ba sa tshwana le pele.
Ke feng nako e leng hore e se ilukile hore batswadi ba ka qala ho bua? What's age appropriate?
You know, you may not have the actual conversation about sex, sexuality, pregnancy, and so on, but you have conversation about life, about what does it take to make things work in life. What things are good, what things are not good. And show examples. You know, I often hear Banabari, Rona, we don't have role models. Communicationing. Townships are littered with examples. So you have warnings. There are enough people who serve as a warning. There may not be those that serve as examples that you want to copy, but there are enough people.
But there's examples that you know
that
not
warnings
to copy.
of what you don't want to become like this. And this, for me, are the conversations that we need to have ongoingly from early on. By the time you get to the sex part, you already have had these conversations. Part of the problem, though, with teenagers is thinking it's not going to happen with me.
That's not just teenagers, that's human nature. Eh?
Yes. especially when they're teenagers, and then they start calculating, gore, nna mama ka le yena, she was a teenager when she had me.
Yeah.
So,
Ufuna experience whatever abazokutshela yona, if bazothi kuwe mawufika lapha kuyashisa, one thing ozofuna ukuyibona ukuthi angisho ufuna ukubuya ne-feedback ukuthi endengile. I'm telling you, mabekutshela something you want to say to your friends, yo ubani bani ke mina bekuso. You know, you want to come with feedback because now peer pressure manhleli with teenagers, all you talk about is ukuthi ubani wenzeni. Now you also want to create your story, your identity. Guti, now people now start because the most popular kids at school, ilaba abahamba party, having sex already, dating the hottest guy at school. So now you want to create that thing. You
want to be hot.
Yeah. Now ufuna ukuthi mabekubona bathi uthanda amaZulu ohamba now this guy or hot, you know. So you always want to create a story now. You know, go to ubani.
Okay. Wrap up for us. Or go rebelele hore re kwala jwang tabe le ho bomme ba shebileng ba ileng hore ba na le rona mona ho motswako. Re ba bolella hore ba buele bana ba bona ba reng. Ho di teenagers tse ding bona re reng.
Most kids start go ya period around 9 years. And if you have a good relationship with your child, you'll have conversations that actually give you an indication gore wa itse ke motho o setse a godile how far. Ha ke na le conversation le ene ke a utlwa gore o setse a le mature enough to understand certain things about life. Rather than talk about it, you know, talk about it ka nako eo. Ask ngwana gore o batla go ba eng mo bophelong. Okay, ha ile gore batla go ya ko varsity o awe gore dilo tse di tshwanang le bo sex before age ya gago, dilo tse di tshwanang le bo di relationship. And I always give an example ya bone ke bara ke listen guys, how ile gore o setse o simolotse go robala le bashimane at 10. How le over 40 like now tla bo robetse le ba ba kae ke re batla ba go bitsa ka mabitso because we know the names they use go locationing o tie o joko o eng. So I always make examples so everybody understandang gore o tla bona le bitso, you know, ene bana ba bang ba tlang ko morago ga ba tlo go o tlo go ba role model jwang.
Ke a leboga haholo hore le bue le rona re se re feletse ke nako empa ke leboga nako ya lona haholo.
Thank you.
Mo re a leboga kaofela hobane le lona le bile le rona le etsa hore le rona re kgone ho thusa. Jwale ka o hokana le malapa le baemedi ba metseng, mosadi a monyenyane a ka tswella pele ka bophelo ba hae mmuhi le ha ditshitiso tse tlang le ba motswadi di le teng. Ho ba bui ba banyenyane hopola hore ho molemong wa hao ho iphumanela thuto e o tshwanetseng le wena o ka latela ditoro tsa hao. Ho tswa ho nna le ba ha motswako re a leboga ha o bile le rona ha ebe bosiu bo monate.